For the two research studies that I picked for drug trafficking, I decided to talk about drug trafficking on the Tor. The Tor is basically like a black web. It's a side of the internet in which the user is anonymous. There's no way of tracking them if they're using it. And due to the fact that now a lot of states at the borders have state patrol and things like that that are looking for cars that are out of state, such as I know Colorado coming into Nebraska. There's a lot of state patrol there looking for suspicious looking vehicles that might look like they are possibly carrying drugs, no license plates, etc. So people have been using the Tor to drug traffic, and they can sell anything on the Tor. People sell organs on there, they sell guns, but a popular thing is drug trafficking. On the study that I read, there were 20,747 active listings, and 14,210 of those were drugs. I broke it down based on the study on this article, and the most sought out drugs were heroin, cocaine, NPS, which is almost like a speed acid type thing, prescription drugs, and then other illicit drugs such as marijuana. Basically, these people can even make transactions over the web, and they can just ship them to you that way, and they come in a discreet box, and no one really knows. So it's becoming really out of hand. And then the other article that I found was drug control along the U.S.-Mexico border. This article basically just discussed two strategies that they were looking at to basically disrupt the flow of illegal narcotics from Mexico to the U.S. The police force in Mexico is pretty corrupt, and it's run by the cartel. And so the biggest difficulty that Mexico is having is that if the police force has to do things such as body cameras like we do in the U.S., then that's going to kind of stop a lot of their revenue. But the situation that U.S. is finding with that is that the cartel has control of so much in Mexico that just by taking away one thing such as drug trafficking and taking that one source of revenue away, it's not going to stop them. It may only make them more angry so they can find other ways to get these illicit drugs into the United States.